The F-35 Lightning II is a fifth-generation stealth fighter jet developed by Lockheed Martin. It is the first aircraft to combine stealth, advanced avionics and high-performance flight in a single platform. The F-35 is designed to be a multi-role fighter, capable of air superiority, ground attack and electronic warfare. The F-35 has a length of 51 feet, a wingspan of 35 feet, and a height of 14 feet. It is powered by a single Pratt and Whitney F-135 petawatt 100 turbofan engine, which produces 43,000 pounds of thrust. The F-35 has a top speed of Mach 2.2 and a combat radius of 1,200 nautical miles. The F-35 can carry a variety of weapons, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, bombs, and electronic warfare pods. The exact weapons that can be carried depends on the variant of the F-35. The F-35's avionics system is the most advanced in the world. It includes a powerful radar, an infrared targeting system, and a data fusion system that integrates information from all of the aircraft's sensors. The F-35's design makes it very difficult to detect by radar. The aircraft's shape, materials, and coatings all contribute to its stealth. The F-35 is equipped with a suite of electronic warfare systems that can jam enemy radar and communications. This makes it a valuable asset for suppressing enemy air defenses. The F-35 is a very agile and maneuverable aircraft. It has a top speed of Mach 2.2 and a combat radius of 1,200 nautical miles. There are three variants of the F-35. F-35A, the conventional takeoff and landing variant, which is used by the U.S. Air Force and other air forces. F-35B, the short takeoff, vertical landing variant, which is used by the U.S. Marine Corps and other air forces. F-35C, the carrier variant, which is used by the U.S. Navy. The current price of the F-35 variants is as follows. F-35A, $79.2 million. F-35B, $80.9 million. F-35C, $90 million. These prices are for the airframe and mission equipment only. They do not include the cost of the engine, weapons, or other systems. The prices of the F-35 variants have been declining in recent years. The F-35A's unit price has declined by about 20% since 2017. The F-35B and F-35C's unit prices have declined by about 15% since 2017. The F-35 program is expected to continue to produce cost savings in the coming years. The program is expected to reach full-rate production in 2023, which will help to further reduce the unit price of the aircraft. It is important to note that the prices of the F-35 variants are subject to change. The actual price of an aircraft will depend on a number of factors, including the specific configuration of the aircraft and the terms of the contract. The F-35 Lightning II is a revolutionary aircraft that represents the future of air combat. It is a highly capable and versatile aircraft that is sure to play a major role in future conflicts.